enhancing lenses are the hot new thing on the sunglasses market, and for good reason. They're incredibly useful and make everything look amazing. If you're searching for a pair, but you're not sure which brand to buy from, this video is for you. Because today, we're comparing the color-enhancing lenses from Oakley Prizm, Costa Del Mar, and fisherman. Welcome back to our channel. I'm Gabby, and this is the destination on YouTube for all things optical, sunglasses, and lens technology. The Fuse Lenses team are optical and sunglass lens experts headquartered in sunny Florida, and we've developed our own line of patented color-enhancing lenses. In order to understand the difference between Oakley Prizm, Costa 580, and Fuse Amp, you need to understand how they work. Essentially, all color-enhancing lenses make specific colors appear brighter. They do that by targeting and stimulating bands of light that the color receptors in your eyes are most sensitive to. Basically, they make the world around you pop, for fun and for functional reasons. You can get all the deets on how they work and their functional benefits in our video, What Are Color-Enhancing Sunglasses? So check it out after this one. And if you're into videos on sunglasses and lens technology, subscribe to our channel and turn on the notifications. Okay, so at the time of filming this video, there are only a few brands that offer color-enhancing lenses: Oakley, Costa Del Mar, and a couple other larger brands, and us, Fuse Lenses. They all use similar technology, but definitely have a few differences, especially when it comes to the exact light waves they filter, lens options, and pricing. Well, when it comes to the exact light waves, no one actually shares their secrets. So let's move on to what we can compare. Oakley Prizm color-enhancing lenses are offered in gray, bronze, tungsten, ruby, gold, also known as 24 karat, and rose gold base tints. The colors are made for different activities like field sports, in and offshore fishing, cycling, golf, and more. The Costa 580 color-enhancing lenses enhance reds, greens, blues, and filter out harsh yellow light rays. They also absorb high-energy blue light from the sun that can damage your eyes, and they're polarized to prevent glare. The Fuse Amp color-enhancing lenses also enhances blues, greens, reds, browns, and every color under the sun. Get it? They're also polarized to reduce glare, and each of our 4 tints are perfect for activities like mountain biking, in and offshore fishing, hiking, mountaineering, hunting, and so much more. Fuse Amp utilizes patented AI technology, providing a lens with up to 4 times more color enhancement than our competition, to give you a view with heightened color contrast and crisp details. Check out our video, Polarized vs. Color Enhancing Sunglasses, in the description to find out more about how polarization works, and to learn about how polarization and color enhancing function together in our amp lenses. Also, subscribe in our other videos on lens technology. Now, let's get into pricing. The Oakley Prizm starts at $50 for their gray base tint color-enhancing replacement lenses, and it goes up to $125 for their pricier models. Pretty steep if you ask me. And that's just for their replacement lens options. If you wanted to buy a whole new pair of Oakley color-enhancing sunglasses, you could easily spend well over $200 or $300.
Costa Del Mar, on the other hand, doesn't offer replacement lenses for any of their models. So, if you want their 580 color-enhancing lenses, you're going to have to fork up a minimum of $167 and over $240 depending on the type of color and frame style you want. Fuse's prices are significantly lower. Our color-enhancing amp replacement lenses only cost between $64.99 and $69.99. That means if you already own a pair of Oakley frames and you don't want to empty your wallet on a new pair, you just have to send us your frames and we'll replace the lenses with our affordable amp lenses. No need to buy an entirely new pair of designer shades. Each brand offers their own level of versatility. One unique thing about Oakley is that they sell Prizm lenses in goggle and motorcycle helmet styles, designed for snow sports as well. Since Oakley only sells replacement lenses for their own frames though, you have to buy or already own a pair of their frames if you want to get their Prizm lenses. I'll tell you how you can avoid that though in just a minute. Costa Del Mar, like I mentioned before, doesn't offer replacement lenses. So your only option if you want their 580 technology is to buy an entire pair of their sunglasses. All of their 580 lenses are polarized, which is great to prevent glare. Although the color enhancing lenses are available in all of their frame styles, it is worth mentioning that none of their frames are very affordable. That's exactly why Fuse Lenses came out with our AMP lenses, also known as the color enhancing lenses that can be customized to any brand name frame or frame style you want. Plus, you have the exact same color enhancing technology and function as you can get in the brand name designer frames, but for only a fraction of the cost. We have 4 different AMP options: gray, brown, carbon, and our new AMP Glacier. Each are designed for crisp, vibrant color, fine-tuned performance, and all-day eye comfort. And if you recall from earlier, our patented AI technology provides 4 times more color enhancement than the competition, because it enhances the clarity of your surroundings and increases the contrast. Plus, all of our AMP models are polarized, not just 1 or 2 like Costa Del Mar. AMP Gray is best for enhancing color near water, open fields, and forests. AMP Brown was designed for people who spend a lot of time in rocky, sandy, or mountainous terrain. AMP Carbon is best for bright sun and enhancing contrast in mountains and for activities like offshore fishing. And AMP Glacier is designed for inshore water activities, rocky terrain, and for being in the woods. At Fuse, you can get our AMP lenses in any name brand sunglass frames. If you can't find your brand or model on our website though, just send us your sunglasses for free and we'll custom cut your unique pair of frames. Neither Oakley nor Costa make their lenses for any other brand name frame, so that really sets us apart. If you'd prefer, you can also get the AMP lenses in any of our stylish Fuse frame styles. We have a new buyer's guide video called The Top Fuse Lenses, Sunglasses, and Styles, so that you can find out which one of our frames would be best for you. It's linked in the description below. Since summer is in full swing, it's a great time to go to fuselenses.com/YouTube, where we can help you build your ideal pair of shades to protect your eyes and look good at the same time. If this video helped you understand your options for color enhancing sunglasses, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that bell for more videos on sunglasses, lenses, and vision. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.